Hello friends, welcome to Arshad Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest update released by SEBI on trading activities. So friends, this new rule benefit retail investors and I explain how. So new SEBI rule on spoofing will disable errant traders for 15 minutes and more from April 5th. So friends, on April 5th onwards, the traders who kept mal and misleading retail investors by keeping their fake orders, non-executable orders. Like friends, if a stock is trading at 100 rupees, they kept 1 lakh to 5 lakh orders. That means at 96 rupees they kept buy order as quantity 5 lakh quantity 96 rupees as buy order. That means our thought of thinking as a retail investors, if you want buy a share, we will go and see the buyers and sellers interest, like how much percent is buying interest and how much percent is selling interest. In that way we see that at 96 rupees there is a huge order of 5 lakhs. That means we thought that it will not fall below 96 rupees, so we kept buying order at 96. So this is the mislead or misconception kept by some fraudulents. So whenever market falls and they thought they will remove that order, so that will fall from 96 also below 93 94, then the retail investor will lose money. So these type of activities will mislead the what you call the retail investors. So if any order will be on a trading account with more than 15 minutes without execution, the trading. So friends, if the order will not execute within 15 minutes, if it executes 15 minutes, then the demat accounts of this particular trader will be on an surveillance. So going forward they will kept a surveillance on this demat account on a pawn based, and if the orders trade ratio will be more than 50, the account will get disabled. So friends, this is the very great decision taken by SEBI. The surveillance action based on the count of instance over a period of rolling 20 trading days is as under. So going forward, such a client or priority account for a time period of first 15 minutes of trading account will be disabled for these type of traders. After multiple sessions they will disable the trading account. For if they came under surveillance, first 15 minutes they didn't have any access to trade. So friends, this is what the SEBI given rule. On additional instance of repetitive violations in consecutive trading days by a client or on rolling segment of 20 trading days basis will lead to trading disablement for a period of n instance into 15 minutes, such a maximum disablement of 2 hours also. So friends, these are all the things given good for retail investors. So after 5th, that means April 5th onwards, we will see there will be low amount of bulk volumes or volume quantities in any share. So friends, this is a very good news for retail investors. So our trading and what you called is will be normal itself, but who are doing malfunctionings on equities, they will get affected with this. So friends, this is the latest news. If you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my